We are making beans yam porridge together. Here I have my spices plus ripe banana. Hello! Blend that up because this is gonna make your beans very tasty. Of course, you should have parboiled, clean, and boiled your beans till it's ready for consumption. Bleach your palm oil and throw this in on low or no heat. Trust me, this will fry and it make it very tasty. At this point, you want to add salt, some seasoning cube to your taste. Please be mindful. Ground crayfish, of course, that's gonna be very tasty. And of course, we are adding the stock, which is goat meat stock. At this one, you want to cover for at least 2 minutes and let it sit on low heat. If you see that oil floating on top, we are ready. So pour in the salt into the already cooked soft beans, and then because sometimes I don't know why do people clean your pots when you still have remnants. Pour in the water, Jerry. This is good. All right, cover that and then prep your yam. We're going to cut this, slice, wash, and then dice. Follow the process, guys. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please, by all means. So because the beans is already cooked, you're gonna dice your raw yam into its quantity or sizes that is easy to cook with less time. At this point, we are good to go. You see that tiny size? Trust me, in the next 10 minutes, this food is gonna be ready. Throw that into the pot that has, pot of the beans with the sauce. Yeah, those ones fell off. Yay! Trust me. You rinse and put it back. Yeah, it's a food, do you? Start to combine properly. I know some of you don't actually love this meal, but trust me, it's a very good meal for your kids, for you as well. And you can add your veggies. At this point, we need to be a little extra with the onions. Yes, for flavor, for taste, onions kicks your beans taste to from 0 to 100. Even if you're cooking with honey beans, please add enough onions. Start to combine. And what else? Obviously, you have to test. Yeah, that's it. Do you need an extra salt? Please add your seasoning, add your salt. Just to be sure you're not doing too much, be very mindful. Because I love extra color and I don't want it to be very starchy. So you throw in an extra palm oil. Hello, vitamin A for my sight, for the children's sight. Instead is to combine. Doesn't it look good? My God, everybody ate this meal and everybody just be like, oh, how do we have this all the time? Yeah, delicious, nutritious. At this point, because it's up to 10 minutes, you want to cut that yam through just to be sure it's ready. Because it's ready, it will cut through easily. And then fetch for the kids without adding the pepper. And once this has been done, please blend your pepper, throw it in, cover up, start to combine. Voila, the food is ready. Have you subscribed to my channel? Thank you for watching to this point. Thank you and subscribe.